In this video, I'm going to show you how to put Blinkies on StrawPage. Now, first you will need your Blinky to be able to actually put it on here. Unfortunately, there's actually no button to add them directly, but I'm going to show you how to do it with a workaround, okay? So if you have a Blinky on your computer, that's great. Hang tight for a few more seconds. But if you don't, you could go ahead and Google something like Blinky Maker or Generator or whatever. And then in here, you could go and basically use any of these over here, which allows you to basically make your own Blinkies. So if I just click on a random one over here, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and just type in hello there as the text. I know it makes no sense, but still generate, and it's going to generate my Blinky. Then I can just basically download it to my computer like this. And if I go back to StrawPage, here is where you can put in your Blinkies by clicking the plus button. You can click anywhere on your screen and then click on image top right. And now from here, select your Blinky, click on open, and it's going to open up your Blinky just like this, but it's still cut, as you can see, so you'll have to make it a bit bigger just like this. And there we go. This is now my Blinky over here. I can position it whatever I want. I could go ahead and place it around, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.